Good evening, Central Oregon. What a week we've had. It's been our first official week of summer, and we've had a doozy. We started our week off with a fire weather warning, then it was a watch, then it was back to a warning. In addition to that, we had some thunderstorms in the region. We had some showers. We had a hailstorm a couple of days ago, and now we have another fire weather warning. That's only for some of us, though. This light pink color, that's for parts of Deschutes County. So Sisters, Camp Sherman, Black Butte Ranch, and then up above in Jefferson County as well. Luckily, that fire weather warning expires tonight. The rest of this, though, our excessive heat warning stays in effect until at least next Thursday. So the next 5 to 6 days, we could see triple-digit temperatures back to back to back. And there you go. There's a look at it right there. Monday setting up to be the hottest day, potentially 106, tying the all-time record set in Redmond in 1972 of 108 degrees. So the next few days, starting on Saturday, we start to tick up into those triple digits. Will be one you'll want to get inside and find some AC, find some shade. And here's a couple of tips. So one thing is, obviously, don't leave anything in a parked car, either your kids or a pet. This is a kind of a visual of what the temperature can do to a parked car. Outside, 100 degrees within 10 minutes, your car's temperature could shoot up to 120 degrees within an hour. Could shoot up to about 150 degrees. Of course, with these warmer temperatures, more sunlight in the area, our UV index is going to be higher than usual. Next few days, it's going to be in that very high range. Basically, the higher the number, the higher the chance for sun exposure and related illnesses like, of course, some sunburn. So there's some heat exhaustion safety tips on the left side of your screen. The number one is to stay hydrated. And in case you don't know, between 11 a.m. and 6 p.m., that's when the sun is its brightest and when we'll notice that heat the most. So if you do plan on getting outside, maybe make it before 11 a.m. and after 6 p.m. One thing that is good are low humidity. That dry air actually allows our sweat to evaporate, which cools down our body. So if you are outside doing any strenuous activity, hopefully you're doing it in the shade and staying hydrated. Your sweat will actually cool your body off a little bit more when we have that low humidity. Our current conditions now, we're starting to see these tick up just a little bit closer to what we expect. 97 for Warm Springs, the rest of Central Oregon in those low 90s. Sisters, Sun River, and La Pine, the only cities in the region still in the 80s. Our forecast lows later tonight, these temperatures about 10 to 15 degrees above average. 60s for Warm Springs, Madras, Bend, Sun River, and Sisters, and then Redmond, Prineville, and La Pine at 58 and 59. Our allergy forecast, this is what we've been seeing all week. Mild pollen counts for trees, high for grass, no pollen counts for weeds or for mold. Our next few days, what they're going to look like, I've mentioned tomorrow is when we really start to see those temperatures creep up at 97 degrees, 103 on Sunday. Monday is the day we want to keep a watch for, because that could be the day we set a new record in some parts of Central Oregon. And then Tuesday, 104, Wednesday, 101. So the next 5 to 6 days, we could be seeing temperatures in the triple digits. Stay safe, stay cool, Central Oregon.